Meaning of extramarital.
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 Extramarital. The term extramarital refers to actions or relationships that occur outside of a marriage. This can include romantic or sexual affairs, as well as other types of intimate interactions. Engaging in extramarital activities can have serious consequences for individuals and their partners, including emotional pain, relationship breakdowns, and legal issues in some cases. Infidelity is often viewed as a betrayal of trust and can lead to the end of a marriage or long-term relationship. It is important for individuals to consider the potential impact of their actions on themselves and others before engaging in extramarital behaviors.